Good. So today we're going to visit a new property that we are joint venturing with a company called Proco Living on a deal in Clapham. So we've done 5 deals now with Proco, works perfectly well between the two businesses. The work to source the deal and to furnish it is done by Proco. We then come in and help to run the property. We do the marketing, we will do the tenant onboarding, and then we will jointly manage the property as tenants have moved in. So today we're going to go and take a look at this. Broke my second Chemex on the weekend. I'm now using a water jug, a couple of bulldog clips to hold my paper in place. So let me tell you a little bit more about this property whilst I make my coffee. So this is the 5th deal, as I said, that we've done with Proco Living, and this works really, really well. The first one that we did was a property actually through the same owner that this one is through. Again, it's another one in Clapham, and from the moment that the property is available, we will start the marketing, and again on this one that's going to be the same thing. The property is going to be ready in 2 or 3 weeks time. We will start the marketing before the property is ready, and we will try and create some interest for an open day that we're going to have in the early part of December. And the beauty of this relationship is that we're able to introduce into our portfolio just a little bit of diversity. So we've got some rent-to-rent properties, as you know, and we've got some management properties. Now with management properties, obviously our risk profile is different. So join me as we visit this property and work through our strategy for the open day. We'll price the rooms. We plan to get the room on our marketing platforms in the next 3 or 4 days. So I'll get this breakfast down me and then we'll get over there. Finally managed to find somewhere to park. One of the major problems in London is it's very difficult to find anywhere to park, but managed to find somewhere. So we're just heading on to Edgeley Road. So this is Edgeley Road. See some beautiful Victorian, Edwardian or Georgian row of houses. They're all massive, 3 stories. So here is the house in question. As you can see, again, lovely property. It's a really, really, really nice road. And just down there is Clapham High Street, so we're between Clapham North and Clapham Common. Let's go and take a look inside. Okay, so this is the front bedroom. That partition wall has gone in to separate the 2 rooms. This is a big size room. And then we come next door. I think we've got Bart in here at the moment doing a bit of painting. But this is another bedroom that's a good size. And then we walk back further, and we've got a downstairs bathroom. The electric on isn't on at the moment, so that's why it's a bit dark. I think these tiles are going to be painted. As you can see, it's a fairly good sized bathroom. Watch that. And then this is the shared space. So we had to do a little bit of work because there was a sagging floor. Turns out there was a rotten joist. And while we were doing that, we have run some new pipe work because the heating's also being overhauled. I think that boiler's staying, but we're creating some zones and making sure that the property is kept warm, and there can be, most importantly, 2 showers at once. And then we head outside. He says, yeah, can't open that, so we're not going to head outside. Let's have a look through this window. Small but nice shared space, very low maintenance, which is fantastic. We're going to put 2 fridge freezers in here, a table, chair, sofa, etc. Down in the cellar, which we won't go into, there's some really, really good storage space. Another 3 rooms on this level. Here's the rear bedroom. Again, as you can see, it's a fantastic size. Bart's finished the painting here, so you've got one of these sort of half-feature walls, which I really love. Another bathroom. Now, this is obviously going to be tile painted, and then we head up here. 2 bedrooms at the front. This one here, probably the smallest bedroom. As you can see, still a really decent size. Little feature wall there. We head into the front of the property. Now, this is the money shot, huge bedroom. As you can see, I just popped it out on Zoom. But this is a huge bedroom. 2 feature walls, which looks fantastic. I'll you back up, then back up to the 3rd floor. Got I don't know what capacity that is, but that's hot water tank. Scooch past that and see a little room here. And this is going to be work from home space. We're going to put 2 desks in, a couple of chairs and a table. And then final bedroom. So a bit of work going on the roof outdoor. There was a little bit of a leak, so you can see that's been repaired there. But again, another decent sized bedroom. So we're going to now have a little conversation and work out a plan for the marketing of this property. We're going to go and do that now. So we just finished that meeting with David, which went well. Got a nice clear plan for the next couple of weeks where we'll start to market the property and look to have an open day whereby we'd look to fill it in that one day. So I'm just having a quick coffee sorry? Do you want something? No, I'm okay, thank you. I'm just doing a YouTube video. Sorry? I was just doing a YouTube video. Did you just swear at your father? That's say hi. So back at the office now. I think that's it for this video. This will be part of a series. So the next video that I do specifically to this property is likely to be when we do the open day in a couple of weeks' time. We've got a fair bit to do between now and then. We'll start marketing this property in the next couple of days, and we'll be super responsive to all the incoming inquiries that we get. We've priced it at the top end. This gives us an opportunity to test that, obviously, because we're still 2 weeks away from it being completed. But it's going to be a really high-end shared house. It's in a great part of London, so I think we can be a little bit punchy with the prices. And obviously, the sooner we start, the sooner we'll realise if we've actually priced it right, or if we haven't, giving us the opportunity to change it if needs be. So good. I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, it's a quick whistle-stop tour of the house. And in the next video, I hope to be able to show you a finished product.